Need a C-wire for a Nest thermostat install on Taco SR502-4 controller.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
I need a common C-wire for the thermostat.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
2-zone valves.
Hello. I am customer. I am ready to assist you with your issue. This will credit me for assisting you. Get it from the voltage transformer of your boiler.
I have a 2-zone hot water boiler with a Taco SR502-4 controller. I need to add a fast stat C-wire so that I can add Nest thermostats. Do you have experience with this setup?
Let me check that Taco model. On the upper left of the 502 Taco there is a 24 vac and COM terminal plug. The C wires and COM screw terminal. COM is for C.
That's the problem, the thermostats only have 2 wires R and W, red and white. I do not have a third common wire.
If you can't run a third wire, then put the old 2-wire thermostat back on, as Nest will not work without C wire. Okay?
I have looked at the fast stat common maker for the C-wire setup, but the diagrams don't match my setup.
It will not work.
Do you know why it won't work?
You will need to pull a third wire.
Okay. Thank you.
This will credit me for assisting you. Best regards. FastStat does not work for all application.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.